Welcome back to Baking with Zach. We're gonna make a cinnamon and sugar donut in a mug. We're gonna need a 16-ounce mug with a half a tablespoon of butter. I already have that in the mug. You're gonna need 4 tablespoons flour with a pinch of salt, half teaspoon baking powder, 3 tablespoons sugar, 4 tablespoons milk with a half teaspoon vanilla, and a 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, and some cinnamon sugar to put on top. Now let's put it all together. Goes the flour and salt, baking powder, sugar, vanilla and milk, and nutmeg. Now we're gonna stir it up to mix it, and we're gonna put it in the microwave for about 60 seconds. Our donut came out of the oven and I put it on a plate. Look at that deliciousness. There is gonna be a link in the description. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to comment on your favorite dessert down below.